Hello everyone, in today's tutorial video we are going to show you how to utilize our phone-in message recording system. To get started with our phone-in message recording system, from your DialMyCalls dashboard, click on the Recordings tab at the top. Click Add Recording to bring up all DialMyCalls recording options. The phone-in system feature will be the last option. You will see a phone number listed to call into along with your personal account number and PIN number. If you have not set up your PIN number, then you can click the link below your PIN to create a new one. To create a recording, call into the DialMyCalls phone-in system number and you will be prompted to enter your account number and PIN number. Once you have entered your credentials, you will be prompted to record your message. It will appear in your account immediately once you've finished. DialMyCalls customers that have purchased credits or a monthly plan will have an additional phone-in system feature that allows them to create a recording and schedule a broadcast right over the phone. Please note that this feature is only available to customers that have purchased credits or a monthly plan. That concludes our tutorial video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a great day.